Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a very interesting switch from IKEA called the BILRESA. The IKEA BILRESA scroll wheel is a compact matter over thread smart switch with a clickable control wheel used to turn devices on or off and smoothly adjust things like brightness, color, or trigger preset scenes for up to 3 different groups, and you get all of that for $5.99 American. In this video, we'll briefly run through the features, show you how to set up with the IKEA hub, the Dirigera, link to HomeKit, then to Home Assistant, then show you how to use the BILRESA with some amazing blueprints that will give you the full functionality. So let's dive on in and see what the BILRESA is all about. First off, what are the switching features of the BILRESA? Well, it offers a single button press from the large scroll wheel, making it super easy to find. Then you get the scroll wheel itself, which is small enough to make it discreet, but large enough for easy operation. Under the scroll wheel is another discrete hidden button that allows for up to 3 sets of functions to be associated with the scroll wheel. So you can control one group of lights and then press the bottom button, the LED moves along, and you can control a totally different set of lights. This is the only switch that I know of that allows for this unique feature. Next is the connectivity. IKEA are betting all in on Matter, and for this device it's Matter over Thread. Now for those that don't know, think of Thread as Zigbee on steroids, as it spans manufacturers, hubs, self-heals, optimizes routes for maximum efficiency, with an open air range of 10 meters when paired with the Dirigera hub. Check out the video in the pop-up above. This is a super cheap, efficient open platform. More on that later. Better still, if you are fully invested into the IKEA ecosystem, you can even pair this device directly with other IKEA devices, taking the hub out of the equation. This unit is super small, measuring 70mm long, 45mm wide and 20mm deep, and comes with its own magnetic mounting plate for easy mounting options. Plus, it comes in 3 different colors for accented appeal, and even cheaper at $14.99 American when sold as a bundle. Round this off with the fact that it runs on 2 AAA batteries, which provide between 2 and 5 years if used with the IKEA Lada rechargeable batteries or lithium long-lasting batteries. So IKEA have ticked every box and engineered a class-leading unique switch. Now you're going to need to have a thread network set up already. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'll be pairing the BILRESA with the IKEA Dirigera hub as the Matter controller, then bring it into Apple HomeKit and then Home Assistant to demonstrate the interoperability and allow me to show full control across 3 ecosystems. Then I'll show you some Home Assistant blueprints, install the best of these and configure it to work with the BILRESA. And we'll do this all in 5 minutes. I'll assume that you have already followed my video on the Dirigera and set up your IKEA hub. Pop off the back of the BILRESA. Insert the 2 AA batteries. If this is the first time you're using this device, it will go into pairing mode for 15 minutes. You'll know this as the 3 LEDs on the front will pulsate. If you tried to configure the device before, then you're going to need to factory reset the device. Press and hold the button between the batteries for 10 seconds. The 3 LEDs on the front will start to flash yellow. Once they've started flashing, they will start to pulsate. The device has been factory reset and is now back in pairing mode. Open the IKEA Smart Home application on your phone. Now the BILRESA should appear instantaneously as long as the BILRESA, Dirigera and your phone are within close proximity of each other. If so, press the Add to Home and follow the instructions. If not, then press the plus icon in the top right hand corner. Select Add Product. Select Scan Matter QR code. Point the camera at the QR code on the back of the device. It will register the code and start the pairing configuration. The BILRESA will show up as a switch. Press Add to IKEA Home Smart. The connection and setup process will start. It should take about a minute. Name your BILRESA switch and press Continue. Now confirm you wish to add to the IKEA Home Smart by pressing Done. Once added, it will confirm it has been added. Now press Done. Now select the room and press OK. The Home Smart will run through an explanation as to what the BILRESA can do. Press Continue and OK Great. Now to make sure that you have added, press Products in the bottom menu and you should see your BILRESA. and you're ready to use it. Now you have your BILRESA paired with our Dirigera over thread. Let's pair the BILRESA with HomeKit so it can be used in either ecosystem. I'll assume that you already have set up an Apple HomeKit environment and it's on the same network as your IKEA Dirigera, and you have enabled IPv6 on your network. Open the IKEA Smart Home application. Select Products. Select the BILRESA product that you just added. Press the spanner in the top right hand corner. Select Connect via QR code. A QR Matter code will appear. Press Copy Code, followed by Done. Now let's move over to HomeKit. Open HomeKit, press the plus icon in the top right hand corner. Select Add Accessory. Select More Options. Now you can usually see your BILRESA here, but I have a few that show up, so to make sure that we're correcting to the right one, press My Accessory is not shown here. Select Enter Code. Tap and hold in the location where you would type the code and select Paste. Now press Continue. And finally, select Add to Home. This can take some time, so be patient. Select a location for your BILRESA and press Continue. Give your BILRESA a name. Remember, this is specific to HomeKit, and press Continue, followed by Done. Now let's check the BILRESA as integrated into HomeKit. Press the three dots in the top right hand corner. Select the room where you placed the BILRESA, and you will see your BILRESA available to have automations associated to the buttons and wheels. Mission accomplished. And now for the trifecta. Pairing with Home Assistant is very similar and shows off the power of thread over matter with seamless integration across platforms. If you're pairing this less than 15 minutes from when you got the code of the pairing from the Dirigera, then your BILRESA should still be in pairing mode. If not, you can repeat that section of the video and copy the pairing mode from the Dirigera again. Open Home Assistant. Navigate to Settings, Devices and Services. Select Add Integration. Select Add Matter Device. Select Yes, it is already in use. Select Other, as we'll be connecting it from the Dirigera. Paste in the code and press Add Device. Give it a minute and it will show up your BILRESA scroll wheel and you're ready to go. Now this video is getting a little bit long as it is, so I'll keep this section about blueprints nice and short. Let me know in the comments if you'd like more details about these blueprints. First off, for those that don't know about blueprints, it's a reusable automation template that someone defined a logic once, makeup and triggers, conditions, actions, plus configurable inputs, and you can create an automation from it by filling in variables such as device, entities, and options without rebuilding the whole thing. To put it simply, someone did all the heavy lifting and created a super smart automation that you just need to configure to specific devices or functions, in this case the IKEA BILRESA. I found 4 blueprints for the thread over matter IKEA BILRESA that are simple to implement. There are many more that require additional skills to implement, and you can find those in the Blueprint Exchange. Links in the description. I tested all of them, and the one I liked best was from Stone13 called the Ultimate Light Controller, as he wrote the original, but I urge you to try a few of these and see which one you like best. Links to all of these are in the description below. So the IKEA BILRESA scroll wheel. What's to like and what could they have done better? First off, this is my new favourite switch, so I think you'll know where this is going. From its innovating functions, solid design and pure practicality, it's top of category for functionality. The size of the device is perfect, small enough to be compact, large enough to feel great in your hand and easy to use. IKEA has picked just the right time to get into matter, and this implementation of thread over matter is well executed and simple to deploy. And that gives you double benefits of a great battery life, especially when you consider that its AAA batteries are not expensive bespoke lithium cells or fiddly button cells. But it's not all roses. Pairing can be problematic if reset too much. I learned that the hard way. Just remember, if you're going to do this, reset everything, pull out the batteries and leave it till the next day and you should be fine. Also, I found out late in the testing that the BILRESA could be converting to Zigbee pairing mode by pressing the reset button 4 times. Let me know in the comments if you've managed to get this to work. So all in all, this is a must buy. You will not regret it, and no, this is not a sponsored video, it's my honest opinion. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then hit that like button, comment and share. And if you want to have access to similar material, then subscribe or maybe become a channel member and get early access to material plus other perks. And if you want to join other like-minded people, then why not join the Discord channel where smart home enthusiasts meet to solve each other's issues. And if I've helped you make a purchasing decision, then maybe a super thanks or a PayPal donation. It's really appreciated. Until the next one.